So these are called push rock hand controls. So the movement is like this. The gas rocks towards you. The brake goes towards the dashboard. So you can use your fingers.
What?
You can use your thumb to pull it down. You can use your whole hand, but you have to really adjust you have to get used to adjusting your pressure so that you don't yank on it. All right, so let's show you how this works. So with these, you just kind of have to walk your hand up to get the blinkers. Whoops. So the motions, when you're doing the gas, you need to make sure that you're bringing it towards you, because you can accidentally hit the brake and the gas at the same time. So when people are learning to use the hand controls, that's what we're really getting used to, is how you coordinate your hands with the equipment. But more people prefer the push right angle, because, the push rock style like this, because you can rest your elbow, you can use your fingers, you can use the weight of your hand. You've got more options for your hand for controlling the gas, which is really nice, because when you're driving with hand controls, it's nice to have some different options, because it helps with the fatigue in your arms. But after people get used to it, it's like there's pros with the adaptive equipment.